Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sy'Monne and today's video is going to be on how I achieved this eyeshadow look, so please keep watching. Okay, so I got some really cool products in April's BoxyCharm. So the first thing that I got a Natasha Denona Jubilee eyeshadow palette, which I'm going to be using in this video. I'm obsessed. So it's a superfood luminance ampule, and it's, I don't know if I'm saying that word right, but it's sea greens plus cannabis sativa hemp. So the next thing I got was Dragun Beauty DragunFire color corrector, which is a really cool, I really like this product. It's like a concealer, you put it on before your concealer and your foundation, which I forgot to do today, but it's okay because the concealer I have on right now is marvelous. Next thing I got was a Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss that retails for $21. The color corrector retails for $25. So this is the lip gloss. And then the last thing I got was Terre de Mars 008 Reddition Body Cleanser that retails for $22. This is really cool because this has like vitamin E in it, or no, what does it say? So it has, it's a soft cleanser with bioactive ingredients with coffee, rosemary, and verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. And I'm all for that. Okay, so that was my April BoxyCharm unboxing, and then this is a little card that they send you. It's like custom every month. It's really cool. Sweet treats, and they were super sweet. I'm going to start off with an eye primer. It's the one by Fenty Beauty. I really like this primer. It's really smooth and creamy, and it just goes on so nice. It's one of my favorite eye primers. And then I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona palette, and then I'm using a blending, it's a tapered blending brush, and it's by Lavish. I'm just cleaning my brush off a little bit, and I'm gonna clean it with an e.l.f. Daily Brush Cleanser. So it's literally just like a little spray. So it's like a little spray that you just like, I just mist it on and then wipe it off on a paper towel. And it smells really, really good. Like it's something in the air at that time, don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Yeah, I'm like obsessed with this eye primer. It goes on so, like, it literally looks like eyeshadow. Like, I literally could just wear it now. I'm just kidding. But like, it goes on so smooth and it's creamy, and the applicator makes it really easy to apply. I'm just gonna use the highlighter part of my Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush palette. This is the highlighter, and I'm gonna go ahead and go on under my eyebrow. This color here, and just go under, like right under where I put the highlighter. I'll do it all over again. to a springbreak, a heartache. I do it all over again. Do it all over again.
And I'm gonna go in with this yellow color. I'm gonna go on the inner corner of my eye.
Say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends.
Well, it looks yellow. Doesn't look so yellow on the eye, but it's still pretty.
Happy for
Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this color. I'm going to use that same highlighter and go on the inside of my eyelid.
like it's something in the air at that time.
And now I'm going to take just a little bit of that black.
Spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
I'm going to go ahead and set my face with NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes off camera, and then I will show you guys my finished eyeshadow look. Okay, so the lashes are on.
Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise.
So this is the mascara I used before I put the lashes on.
Friend, never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you, 'cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it alone.
Thank y'all for watching my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow my Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. My website, goddesstingsboutique.com, will be linked down below as well. I sell lashes, lip gloss, and jewelry. I have lashes already on the site. These ones are coming soon, so go ahead and check that out.